What's going on, everybody? I have some great news. After a long time searching for some fairings for the front of this bike, because it didn't come as a naked, I found some color matched fairings out of the UK. Some guy was cleaning out his garage across the pond, and I found them and had them ship them over to me as quick as possible. I've been searching for these fairings for a long time, and believe me, it is hard to find a fairing that's color matched and not destroyed on one side. They're a two-piece front fairing. They meet in the middle, and often one side's had a low side and the other side is fine, but to find two fairings from the same bike in the same color, it's a gold mine. So today, we're gonna put them on, so let's jump right into it. Much to my surprise, when I got the fairings, they actually fit, and I'll show you that in a second. I've already test fit them, but what I discovered was I didn't have the well nuts to make them fit. Yamaha uses this like rubber fitting where it squeezes together and widens to hold the fairing in place, and it comes with this wide pan head. Well, of course, I wasn't able to find such a specialty fastener, but I was able to find more well nuts straight from China and just a hex head bolt with some washers that'll make it work. So we'll throw these in. They sit all the way into those little holes on a couple spots on the bike, like here and here, and over here on the bike to make everything held in place. So we're gonna do that. Let's put it on right now. With the fairing on, it looks like a whole different bike. Although I'll be honest, these bolts aren't really doing it for me. They're looking a little bit bold for the look. The only other thing that's a little bit confusing is these extra holes here. It looks like there was some added arrow part that could go here, but I just don't know what that looks like. So I'm just gonna leave it there for now. I mean, it's color matched, it's close enough. The only thing that's not quite right about the fairing is underneath here, it's got a crack and little tab that's supposed to hold these two halves together, but oh well, I can live with that. But also I've discovered that this top bracket here doesn't line up. It needs to be tweaked. The bracket's pushed back. I need to take this fairing off and push it forward so I can line up the hole here, because as you can see, it doesn't quite line up. But as a beginning, sheesh. Nice. Now I just got to figure out how to get a windshield for this bike. I've looked on eBay, but they're really not cheap, so I'm hoping I can make something out of acrylic to cover the space. And just like that, we got fairings for the XJ. Really couldn't be happier. I think it really completes the front end of the bike and makes it look more like the motorcycle it was intended to be. Stay tuned for more XJ content. I just ordered brand new tires for this thing because who knows how many decades old these things are. We gotta fix the exhaust that's falling off this bike, so I'm gonna fabricate something new to fix up the connection joint back here. And we still don't have a working front brake switch, so stay tuned to figure out that. As always, thanks for watching, everybody. Please smash the like and subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, and as always, have a good day.